How plurals are formed. A noun that demands more than one person or thing is said to be the plural. So if we learn formula of plural formation, it will make easier for us in learning. So let's start. Number 1. Plural of noun is generally formed by adding s to the singulars like boy. If we add s, it will be boys, girls, books, and desks. Number 2. But nouns ending in s or sh or ch soft or x from the plural by adding es to the singular. For example, class. If we add es, it will be like classes. And dish, when we add es, it dishes. Watch, when we add es in watch, it will be watches. Brush, when we add es, it will be brushes. Branch, when we add es, it will be branches. Number 3. Most noun ending in o also from the plural by adding es to the singular, as in buffalo, when we add es, it will be buffaloes. In mango, when we add es, it will be mangoes. In hero, when we add es, it will be heroes. In potato, when we add es, it will be potatoes. Number 4. A few objects ending in o merely add s, as Dynamo. When we add s, it will be dynamos. In solo, when we add s, it will be solos. In piano, when we add s, it will be pianos. In photo, when we add s, it will be photos. Number 5. Nouns ending in y proceeds by consonant from their plural by changing y into I and adding es, as babies. We drop y and we put ies. And ladies, we drop y and put ies. In cities, we drop y and put ies. In stories, we drop y and put ies. Number 6. The following nouns ending in f or fe from their plural by changing f or fe into v and adding es, as thief. We will drop f and add ves and it will become thieves. Life. We will drop f and we will add ves and it will become lives. Number 7. A few nouns from their plural by changing the inside vowel of the singular, as man. We will change a into e. Man. Woman. We will change a into a. Woman. Number 8. There are few nouns that form their plural by adding en to the singular, as ox. When we will add en, it will become oxen. Like child, when we will add en, it will become children. Some nouns have the singular and plural alike, like sheep, deer, god. Number 9. Some nouns are used only in the plural form, like name of the instrument, which have two parts forming a kind of pair, like scissors, blows, tongs, spectacles. Name of certain articles of a dress like trousers, drawers, breeches, and jeans. These nouns are used only in the plural form. Name of subjects like mathematics, physics, electronics. Name of some diseases like measles, mumps, rickets. Name of some games like Ludo, Roulette, Maracas. Certain collective nouns through singular in form are always used as plural, like poultry, cattle, vermin, people. Number 12. Compound noun generally form its plural by adding s to the principal word, as commander-in-chief, commanders-in-chief, son-in-law, sons-in-law. Number 13. If the word to its suffix full is added ends in double L, the second L is dropped, like skill. When we add suffix full, we are going to drop an L and it will become skillful. Will. When we will add full, we are going to drop one L and it will become willful. Finally, number 14. Words ending in single E drop the E before suffix beginning with a vowel, like live. When we will add ing, it will become living, but we are going to drop A. Move. When we are going to add suffix, we are going to drop E and it will become move. Number 15. Some special case of a word ending in CE and GE which keep the E when adding able and us, like noticeable, courageous. Number 16. In such words, C and G pronounced soft before E, like singeing. Sometimes the E is retained to avoid confusion with similar words like swinging. Number 17. Words ending in double E do not drop an E before suffix like seeing and agreement. Number 18. Words ending in IE change the IE to Y when adding ing, like tying, lying. Number 19. A final Y following consonant changes to I before a suffix except ing, like happily, carried, carrying, marrying. Number 20. Y following a vowel does not change. For example, prayed, player, paid, said, led.